bit spicy. I need to work. Maybe more
Look,
spicy.
somehow it's not going the salt out. I don't know why.
I also have another salt thingy. Otherwise, why?
Like, also take a bit.
Cleaning.
Cleaning.
There should be also this thing.
Actually, I just clean it up. So.
Okay, you can put it. Can you give me? Yes, this one more. Last day of the camper. We're gonna return it now to the Laren.
Yeah.
Before we have to fill the tank.
Yes.
But now we're going so much faster because all the shitty water and bad water is out.
Yeah.
We are light.
Easy to drive.
Yes, super easy to drive now.
Easy to stop, right?
We will
Nope.
see on the next crossroads.
Next crossroad. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, we're watching a movie again while the other guys are driving.
Enjoy.
Thanks.